Alright. You get a picture of the park map with the smokestack behind. Let's see how it comes out. Okay, here I got different things lined up like this. You can also change the angles, kind of try different positions. Not completely sure, but just saw something there and gotta follow the hunch. It's probably a good idea to capture some pictures of these, like informative. Get a wide shot of the platform. Cool. There's some more information there.
You know what I was watching tonight? Martin Scorsese, like how he grew up. 2-hour documentary. His early movies. Crazy shit. He was always so cool. He was handsome.
Alright, some nice views here.
He was a good-looking guy.
Here's a shot.
It's about a real thing. No, it's not social. It's something
everywhere.
that really happened in Oklahoma in like 1920.
I go like this. 1, 2, 3.
Trader Joe's right across the way. See the red?
Red.
And
The
Bob's
mall
and Retro.
area is right. You know, we're basically looking at the mall area.
Really?
When you
The
kayak,
Heartland
you
Village.
can see it too.
Heartland
You guys
Village.
did the kayak tour, didn't you? Anthony? Oh, you should do it. It's a good tour. Corporate Commons 3 from the Nicotra Group.
What a picture that's gonna be. That's sarcasm.
This was the waterway. The landfill is just the mounds. There's no
Oh.
garbage, and there never was garbage
Okay.
in the water.
All right. Huh.
Yeah.
And you said that was from the boats?
This is either I can't
Docks
tell.
or
It's either
ships.
looks to me like it could have been docks.
Yeah, I feel like it's. Well, I mean,
No, no,
those
you know what?
especially. Like, what's that?
That little one.
Yeah, I mean-
that looks like it was a dock because they're
But
very.
can you
clearly-
walk on that land?
No,
No.
it's mush.
Right.
It's spongy. It's mucky. It's not walkable. You like if you kayak here, there's no place to like get out of the
Yeah.
boat.
Yeah.
What are those pipes over there far away?
Oh,
We started the hike over there once.
that might have been the methane collection plant or the leachate collection plant, but definitely for waste products.
Waste
of-
products.
I
The landfill.
I thought it was making electricity, that thing, no?
No.
Oh
No,
well.
that might have been the methane collection. But I he told me and I forgot.
Like a drop of 10 degrees, right?
I feel like it might be.
Coming down from the platform.
This device is protected with Diamondback Terrapin.
Stay. Stay.
Oh,
Bella.
man.
Stay. Good girl. Good girl.
She feels something.
She
All
hears
right.
the clicks.
I got a few more.
Let me see.
Hmm.
I love that one.
I'm gonna line up the shot with the, so that I have the arrow a little lower. Yeah. So I want to catch a shot here. Just want to get a little bit closer. I'm gonna focus on the background, kind of. A few shots. All right. That might be good. It's like 5,000 ISO. So what I'm gonna do is decrease the shutter speed. You just gotta stay really steady. 1/30th. But the ISO is only like a little over 1,000.
Oh, well, woman, we're not going to release these funds. It's her funds, so you go to DC. So the rest of the trip,